faila me ko saigi le mea wa ele saingia la au te longol ia Australia ala no le saigi o le mga o le pale mio Samoa whaapolo kiki no whaile ka longa ele o se whainga lena yanga ia luma le ia le lakapi a fagau uma Samoa.
Do you know how much money the people of Samoa donated?
My understanding was, I think they're trying to raise more than, they were asking for 6 million tala. And what I believe is more than that.
So it's your understanding they raised more than 6 million tala for your team?
I think so.
And how much of that money did you see?
Nothing at all.
Nothing at all?
Nothing at all.
So where did the money go?
That's the question.
That is the question.
The players have asked for some statements, some financial statements as to where the money is obviously being spent, just a bit of transparency. We asked for that before the Rugby World Cup. We haven't seen anything yet, and to this day we don't know where the money's going.
It destroy our rugby. Upsa ona. Ale whaiala se mena. O te reiro po whea o il tātou yung lakpi. O te reiro fo ipo whea au i elu mana i o le lakapi i Samoa. Wa ele saingia. La au te longol ia Australia. Ala no le saingi. O le mga o le pale mio Samoa. Whaapolo kiki no whaile ka longa ele. Amalia. Whainga lena ya. O lato uma ia a fie whainga tonu whaapolo kiki o ese. Tu ule ta alonga ia ila tau, o tau sisila yaso ia. Nai to ina sa iai tata penanga mea. Mea ima se vesi, ala isa ala inku penga kai. Ala almeno isa moa. Nai lungo le rank. Tato pina ule lolangi sevens. Ala alme ukako ia. Ukako whaia inga ia ule kauri o lolangi. Eo i tu lango le musua. E ala no maita mata alo. O le fatu mo le tunu. They pay their own fares. Now, to follow with the coaches say, they come with their heart to support their nation. If you're full of one, I'm